Sing me a song of a lass that is gone. Say, could that lass be I? Mary of soul, she sailed on a day over the sea to sky. More was a stem, rum on the port, egg on the starboard bow.
Welcome back, llama friends. So today's video is another Outlander inspired look, this time doing Claire's look. I recently traveled to Edinburgh in Scotland, and let's just say I have so much Outlander fever right now. So starting off with the face. I was not having a great skin day due to ant flow, but whatever. I moved on to my face. You guys know I love using the Huda Beauty foundation. For this look, it is important to have a flawless canvas since Claire is known for having great skin in the show. The actress Katarina Balfe is also known for having a great complexion as well.
Give me the eyes, give me the soul, give me the light that's gone. Sing me a song of a lass that is gone.
Despite my love for a dewy look, for Claire's look we want to keep it more matte, so after my foundation I applied some translucent powder from Mercier and lightly dusted this in the areas I usually get oily, which is my T-zone, so my foreheads and my upper cheek zone. Next, I went in with adding bronzer from Too Faced's Milk Chocolate Soleil to create cheekbones similar to Claire in Outlander. I applied some to where the shadow naturally hits my cheeks on my face and some on my forehead to make my face slightly smaller. Next up is blush. I used Tarte Paaarty, which is a nude pink, and I looked at many photos of Claire and it seems the blush is low-key for her makeup on the show. So for this I smiled and I applied it to the apples of my cheek and as well as brought it up a little bit on my face to give it a more balanced look. Next up is eyes. This was very easy. For my eyes I used two colors since again Claire's look is very natural in the show. I used the color S'more from the Toasted palette by Tarte all over the eyes, and then used my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer to give my outer V's a subtle depth to them. Yes, I used my bronzer. Multifunctional makeup is my favorite. What is great about these Outlander looks is they are quite easy to recreate because most of the characters' makeup is very natural and you can easily find clothing that is similar to the characters, like the Druids video I made. A white flowy dress will do. And as far as Claire's look, I feel like this dark olive tone dress shirt would be something she would wear in the 1940s, and I paired it with black leggings and simple black booties. As far as makeup, I did some research and looked at many Google images, and it seems the actress Katarina Balfe prefers natural looks. In the show, they keep it very minimal. This is also a perfect look for those that want more of a low-key Halloween look. As far as hair goes, Claire wears it up in a curly bun or she wears it down. For the lips, from the looks of the show, it seems Claire's lips are very subtle nude pink. So I went in using my NYX lip pencil in nude suede shoes to create a similar tone for her look.
Give me again all that was there. Give me the sun that shone. Give me the eyes, give me the soul, give me the light.
Hope you guys enjoyed these two Outlander looks and it gives you some inspiration for Halloween. Again, if you are looking for something easy to do that's in your closet and low-key, I've got some other Halloween looks I've been wanting to do for a while, so you'll definitely see more of these on my channel for the months of September, October. Anyway, see you llamas on my next one. Bye guys!
And seas, mountains of rain and sun. All that was good, all that was fair, all that was me is gone. Sing me a song.